Wow, check 'em out! Dora's bike ride has other Nick Jr. Adventures DVD. Other Nick Jr. Adventures DVD has the adventures of Thomas and Gordon to the monkey bars. When you grow up, friends are never far away. The world's biggest tea party. New friends for Thomas, Rocky, and Rosie join the circus and sleepover fun. Whenever they pay a bicycle, every time we ride on it. Whenever they go on an adventure, he'll look all around them.